This is fractions tutorial using Pancake. We will start by cutting a 1/4 slice of this pancake. Now this is the size of a 1/4 slice of a pancake. That's 1/4. And if we will continue cutting this slice, we will divide it into two. That is 1/2 of 1/4. So you just simply multiply 1/4 by 1/2. Multiply the numerator 1 times 1 and the denominator 4 times 2 equals 8. So the resulting fraction is 1/8. Now this is the size of 1/8. And if we continue again, 1/8 divided by into 2 is just simply multiplying 1/8 by 1/2. 1 times 1 for the numerator and 8 times 2 for the denominator. So the resulting fraction is 1/16 or 1/16. So this is the size of 1/16. Now if we divide it again, 1/16 divided by 2 is just simply the same as 1/16 times 1/2. So numerator times numerator, then denominator times denominator. So 1/16 times 1/2 is equal to 1/32. And this is the size of 1/32. The fraction of 1/32. The bigger the denominator, the smaller the size of our slice. So if we continue, 1/2 of 1/32, it becomes 1/64. The more we divide, the bigger the denominator will become and the smaller the slices will be. And that's our fractions tutorial using Pancake.